Adding a chat to your course. With the edit turned on in this section, you wish to add the chat, click Add an activity or resource link and choose Chat. All settings may expand by clicking it. Expand all, link top right. Name of this chat room. Whatever you type here will form the link. Learners click on to enter the chat, so it is helpful to give it a name that suggests its purpose. Description. Type the description of the chat here. Include precise instruction for students regarding the subject of the chat. Click the icon on the left to expand the toolbar and drag bottom right of the text box out to expand it. Display description on the course page. If this box is ticked, the description will appear on the course page just below the name of the chat. Next chat time. The day and hour of the next chat session. This will appear in the calendar so the students know the schedule, but it doesn't stop them accessing the chat room at any other time. If you don't want them in the chat room at other times, then hide or use restrict access. If you don't wish to schedule chat times, then ignore this and choose from the next settings. Repeat publish sessions. There are 4 options for scheduling future chat session. Don't publish any chat items. There are no set times and students are welcome to chat any times. No repeat. Publish the specified time only. Only the next chat time will be published. This could be used to schedule special events or meetings, or simply to help learners identify a common time in which they can expect to find other learners in chat room. At the same time every day, daily chats are useful for scheduling office hours or work session with the learner. At the same time every week, this setting will schedule a chat session for the same day and time every week, which could be useful for instant meeting and reviewing key ideas and questions related to week content or assessment. Save past sessions. Choose from the drop-down menu how many days to save, or save everything by selecting Never delete messages. If you have concerns about the discussion that might take place in your chat room, you may want to keep transcript to check the stability of what is discussed. If your learners are using the chat room to collaborate on group projects, you won't want delete the message until the project is completed. Everyone can view past session. Decide here whether or not to allow everyone to view the past session. Faculty can always view the past session. Adding choice. The choice activity module enables a faculty to ask a single question and offer a selection of possible response. Choice result may be published after the students have answered after a certain date or not at all. Result may be published with the student's name or anonymously. A choice activity may be used as a quick poll to stimulate thinking about a topic, to quickly test students' understanding, to facilitate students' decision, for example, allowing the students to vote on the direction of the course. Adding a database. The database activity module enables the participant to create, maintain, and search a collection of entries. The structure of the entries is defined by the faculty as the number of fields. Field type includes checkbox, radio buttons, drop-down menu, text, area, URL, picture, and uploaded file. The visual layout of the information when listing, viewing, or editing database entry may be controlled by database template. Database activities may be shared between the courses as presents, and a faculty may also import and export database entries. If database auto-linking filter is enabled, any entry in the database will be automatically linked where the words or phrases appear within the course. Faculty can allow comment on entries. Entries can also be rated by faculty or student. Rating can be aggregated to form a final grade which is recorded in the gradebook. Database activities have many uses, such as a collaborative collection of web links, book reviews, journal references, etc. For displaying students created photo, poster, websites, or poem for peer comment and review. Adding a glossary. The glossary activity module enables participants to create and maintain a list of definitions like a dictionary or to collect and organize resource or information. A faculty can allow files to be attached to glossary entries. Attached images are displayed in the entry. Entries can be searched or browsed alphabetically or by category, date, or author. Entries can be approved by default or require approval by the faculty before they are viewable to everyone. If the glossary auto-link filter is enabled, entries will be automatically linked where the concept words or phrase appear within the course. A faculty can allow comment on entries. Entries can also be rated by faculty or by students. A collaborative bank of key terms, a getting to know your space where new students add their name, personal details, a handy tip resources of best practice in the practical subject, a sharing area of useful videos, images or sound files, a revision resource of facts to remember. Adding a lesson. The lesson activity module enables the faculty to deliver content and or practice activities in an interesting and flexible ways. A faculty can use the lesson to create a linear set of content pages or instructional activities that offer a variety of paths or options for the learners. In either case, faculty can choose increase engagement and ensure understanding by including a variety of questions such as multiple choice, matching and short answer. Depending on the student's choice of answer and how faculty develops the lesson, student may progress to the next page to be taken by the previous page or redirected down to a different path. Lessons may be used for self-directed learning of new topic, for scenarios or stimulation decision-making exercise, for differentiated revision with different sets of revision questions depending upon the answers for initial questions. Scrum package. Scrum package is a collection of files where packages according to an agreed standard for learning objects. The Scrum activity modules enables Scrum or AICC package to be uploaded as a zip file and added to a course. Contents is usually displayed over several pages with navigation between the pages. There are various options for displaying content in pop-up window with table of content with navigation buttons, etc. Scrum activities generally include questions with the grades being recorded in the gradebook. Scrum activity may be used for presenting a multimedia content and animation and as an assessment tool. Survey. The survey activity module provides a number of verified survey instruments that has been found useful in assessing and stimulating learning in an online environment. A faculty can use these to gather data from their student that will help them learn about their class and reflect their own teaching. Wiki. Adding a wiki. The wiki activity module enables the participant to add and edit a collection of web page. A wiki can be collaborative with everyone being able to edit it or individual where everyone has their own wiki which only they can edit. A history of previous version of each page in the wiki is kept. Listing the edit may be made by each participant. Wikis have many uses such as for group lectures, notes or study guides, for member of faculty to plan a scheme of work or meeting, for the students to collaboratively author an online book, for collaboratively storytelling or poetry creation, as a personal journal for the examination notes or revision. Adding a workshop. Adding a workshop. The workshop activity module enables the collection, review and peer assessment of student work. Students can submit any digital content such as word process document or spreadsheet, and can also type the text directly into a field using a text editor. Submissions are assessed during a multi-criteria assessment from defined by the faculty. The process of peer assessment and understanding the assessment form can be practiced in advance with example submission provided by the faculty together with the reference assessment.